this weather is going to be around when we get closer to the Christmas season, because let me tell you, it is dreary, it is chilly, and we have rain. So lots of clouds, lots of rain. That's going to be the case for today. Right now, we have a little bit of that rain on the board. This is that cold front that passed through early this morning, bringing lots of rain to South Texas, lots of cloud cover to the entire state. Right now, we have rain for the coastal areas, rain in Stark County, but Hidalgo is kind of missing out right now. A lot of you guys in McAllen and Edinburgh might be saying, hey, we haven't got any rain yet. It's all right. You're going to have plenty more chances throughout the rest of this weekend, because we're going to be about an 80% chance for rain throughout the next 2 to 3 days. Temperatures have also plummeted. In Brownsville this morning, maybe Adam remembers, we were looking at the temperatures and it was, hey, 72 degrees. Our high temperatures occurred before 2 to 3 a.m. But now that that cold front's passed through, it's brought in those northerly winds and those cooler temperatures. Now, we're not going to get all the way down to the 40s, and we will be in the mid to upper 50s tonight, but it's not going to be near as cold as that last cold front we got. So what you see on the board right now, this is what it's going to be like for the rest of today. And that includes the rain too, right? So temperatures in the low to mid 60s, and the rain is going to be how we stay until we get to later tonight. The temperature change over the last 24 hours has been up to 20 to 25 degrees, depending on where you look, since yesterday. So yesterday we were in the 80s. Today we are in the 60s. So another nice temperature drop brought on by that cold front. Rain throughout this evening is going to continue, but look, we're going to have some patches, some short times for all of us where we're not seeing rain, just like Hidalgo County is right now. It's going to be in and out, so it's not going to be constant forever, all right? You're going to get a couple breaks to take that dog for a walk. Saturday, we're going to have the same situation. Yes, it's Veterans Day, and yes, we still have those high rain chances. And temperatures on Saturday are going to stick to the mid-60s. Some of us might creep up to that 70-degree mark. And then Sunday, we'll see rain chances decrease slightly, but they're not going anywhere yet. We're still going to want our rain jackets and our umbrellas heading throughout the remainder of the weekend and even into the beginning of the work week next week. So far, I have not seen any lightning, no thunder, no thunderstorms at all. We are into that general thunderstorms category that's here. It's not even a 1 on the 5, number scale for what's our severe weather threat. That's not the biggest threat going into this weekend. So that means you should be okay if you still have outdoor plans. Just make sure you're staying safe. Make sure you're bundled up if 65 is a little bit too cold for you, and you hang on to that rain jacket and that umbrella, because we're looking at rain and storms. This is tomorrow, your Veterans Day outlook, and of course the sunset's at 5:43, so obviously when it gets dark, it's going to get a little bit chillier as well. So keep that in mind as you're going about tomorrow. Through the next few days, 5 days to be exact, we're going to see up to 4 inches of rain in some areas. So as I mentioned, the severe weather threat's not going to be an issue. I'm a little bit more concerned about just those slick roadways, not the best driving conditions. And you guys know how the valley is. In those low-lying areas, we're going to see some water build up over the next few days with all this rain. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s, and of course, we're going to warm up, and the rain will stop.